Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering exactly what Uphold is? You see it mentioned in the crypto space, maybe for traditional currencies too, and the lines between a bank and an exchange seem a little blurry, right? You're not alone. This is a question that pops up a lot, and for good reason. Understanding the fundamental nature of a platform like Uphold is crucial before you entrust it with your hard-earned money. Think about it. Banks, they're institutions we're generally familiar with. They hold our deposits, facilitate payments, and often offer lending services. Exchanges, on the other hand, are typically where you go to buy, sell, and trade different assets, be it cryptocurrencies, stocks, or commodities. So, where does Uphold fit into this picture? To really understand Uphold, we need to look at its core functionalities. It allows users to buy, sell, and hold a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar and euro, precious metals like gold and silver, and even fractional shares of stocks. This broad spectrum of offerings is a key characteristic that sets Uphold apart. If we focus solely on the ability to buy and sell various assets, it sounds a lot like an exchange, doesn't it? You deposit funds, and then you can trade those funds for different assets available on the platform. The platform facilitates these transactions, connecting buyers and sellers, albeit often internally within Uphold's ecosystem. However, Uphold also offers features that lean towards traditional banking. Users can receive and send funds to other Uphold users and even to external bank accounts in certain regions. They provide virtual and physical debit cards in some areas, allowing users to spend their holdings directly. This ability to hold balances in multiple currencies and assets, and then spend them via a card, starts to sound more like a digital wallet or a modern banking alternative. The crucial distinction lies in how Uphold operates and what its primary regulatory framework is. Traditional banks are heavily regulated, often with deposit insurance schemes in place to protect consumer funds up to a certain limit. Exchanges, while facing increasing regulatory scrutiny, operate under a different set of rules, primarily focused on facilitating trading and ensuring market integrity. Uphold operates as a financial platform that bridges these two worlds. It's not a traditional bank in the sense of having a banking charter and the associated deposit insurance in all jurisdictions. Instead, it functions as a platform that facilitates the exchange and holding of various assets. They emphasize transparency and security, often highlighting their reserve policies. So, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Uphold exhibits characteristics of both a bank and an exchange, but it doesn't perfectly fit into either traditional definition. It's more accurately described as a digital money platform or a multi-asset platform. It provides exchange services for a wide array of assets, coupled with some banking-like functionalities such as holding balances and facilitating payments. Understanding this hybrid nature is vital for users. It informs how you should view your funds held on the platform and what protections are in place. While Uphold offers convenience and access to a diverse range of assets, it's essential to be aware of the regulatory differences compared to a traditional bank in your specific jurisdiction. Always do your own research and understand the terms and conditions of any platform you choose to use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.